Mar Standard Chartered Bank e pacho kaendi koriwore kod Sanlam Investment East Africa Limited kod Mongostin Limited oyawo chenro ero mar CS Shilingi Fund. Chenro mabende en mano mapiny mabende clients mag bengi no biro tiyo godo e kano omenda mapiny kochakore shillings 1,000. App makamano ero bende clients mag bengi no biro tiyo godo e golo omenda e seche duto.
Ladies and gentlemen, so today Standard Chartered Bank in Kenya has launched SC Shilingi Fund. SC Shilingi Fund is a collaboration with Sanlam Investment East Africa and Bamboo, who is our technology provider. And this solution really is to help our clients to access financial products for savings and investments. In last year, when we did a survey of the market, we realized that 8 out of 10 people had changed their financial goals. And they were really looking for goals helping them with health and fitness, health and wellness, education for their children, and retirement. So those were very critical. And then what we ask ourselves, what then do we need to do? We also found out that 5 in 10 of our Kenyans under the age of 35 have not started planning for retirement. They haven't started. 3 in 10 at the age of 45 have not, and 2 in 10 at the age of 55. And those statistics were actually really wild. And as a bank, we really treasure here for good and helping our communities where we do business. And one of the ways to actually have an impact in this country is to help our people save and achieve their life goals. So this was very important. That's why we came up with this product. We also realized that in the financial industry, sometimes, if you want to work fast, go alone, but if you want to go far, you get other partners, right? So we found it fit to get other people, other firms that are like-minded, like Sanlam, who have a track record of managing money market funds, which are actually popular in this country. And then we said, can we use that product to package it in a digital journey, a very simple journey as I showed you today, that clients can actually be able to access it. So that was the reason why we did this. 2 years ago, we launched our digital bank, right, across Africa and Kenya included, right? And that has been in operation. So every day, we open upwards of 1,000 accounts per day, digitally, on the mobile app. People download the app, they open the account. Those people are giving us feedback. And they actually, interestingly, found that the people who are attracted to us, to our brand, are actually young people. Because they recognize our brand, here for good actually makes sense to them. Our track record in terms of championing for things that are, climate change friendly and those kind of things, and the fact that we also use technology, we embrace technology a lot, we are finding the young people really associating with us. So actually, interestingly, the people who are opening, new clients opening bank accounts are actually university students, people who've just started their jobs, nurses, teachers, people in the army. So that's why we are finding most people, starting to open accounts. That's why we get them. And now what we are thinking is, how do we have a solution for savings and investment that help actually these people?